One Wednesday evening, a call come at the police station regarding a woman claiming a person could have relation with ISIS.
Avon Police Sergeant Rupel.
Hi, my sister works at the Fairfield Inn on Colorado Avenue in Avon. She is a desk worker.
Okay.
And there is a male in a full headdress with multiple disposable phones pledging his, pledging his allegiance or something to ISIS.
Okay.
She is very panicky.
Okay. Is your sister able to call us?
No, she is at the front desk.
Okay.
Of the hotel.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is her sister.
And what's your sister's name? And do you have a callback number for her, or is she at the actual phone line at the Fairfield?
She doesn't have a cell phone. She's texting me off a deactivated iPhone that has Wi-Fi.
Okay. Does she have a description of this male? Or in a vehicle, or is he on foot?
She said there's a suspicious male here at the desk with disposable phones, two of them in a full headdress.
And he's stating he has pledged allegiance to ISIS, and he's in the lobby right now?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll send some officers down.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye. Avon, please.
Yes, hello?
Yes.
My daughter is working at Fairfield Inn.
Is this his dad?
Yes.
I was just on the other line with and I got officers en route.
Thank you.
All right.
She said she's in the back. I have the text. She said she's terrified, so please.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
On the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Down! On the ground! Do it now! Get on your car. Down! Roll out! On the ground! Do it now! Roll out! Lay down! Roll out! Do it now! Hold your arms! Step away! On me!
Got you. I'm on you.
Stand in front of me. Get in front of me. Just yell. Come behind you. Awesome. Head straight out in front of you. Don't move. Awesome. Go in. Grab his hands. Cuff him up. Cover. Get that phone away. Get that phone away. Cover the entrance, LT. Get your back.
What to do?
Go.
All right, you got his arm? Grab that arm.
You good?
Yep.
37, and we have one detained, just one. We're in the main entrance. So I'm going to bring that cruiser right here. We're going to put him in. Pull up.
Want us to check him first?
What did you do?
All right, turn to your left. Or your right. Turn to your right.
What happened?
Pull up.
Not good to do it like this.
That's it, brother.
One detained. Said she's by herself.
Not good this. I'm tourist and this is good, not good.
Yeah, it's not good. It's right.
Make a sweep this place.
I don't know. He's got it.
54. She said she came by her. She said he's by himself.
Anybody else?
She said he's by himself. This guy down. Make sure he's got nothing on.
We will. Relax. We're gonna get you to stand up first. You got that? Sit up.
One detained. We've made contact in front. Good hat down, gentlemen. Good
Up.
hat down. Up over here, man. Right up. Oh.
I'm gonna have you remove your shoe. You got that? Lift your back leg up. Lift your left leg up. Lift your left leg. This leg, lift it. Backwards.
For our embassy.
Lift your other leg up.
Says he worked for the embassy.
That's nice. Lift your leg up.
Broken my telephone also.
Yeah, so you broke
Yes.
my nail.
You can check him really well.
All right, man. Go here. Come this way.
Hey, are you guys good? Hold the front. We're just going to sweep the lot. There's possibly a second guy on scene somewhere.
Have a seat in the car.
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, your LT's back up. We're going to sweep the lot real quick.
Okay. One of the cell phones I threw over there is ringing. Here, you want to call this in? No. Hey. Here, I have a couple more cards. Right here. There's a bunch of SIM cards. No idea what that is. Got one on. I don't know if this is his. Is this yours? You okay?
They got scared, called us, and we detained him. And
You okay?
We'll call you back, okay? Thanks. And now
He just passed out.
So, that's good. I've been looking for him. There were no. Yeah, several cell phones with her. She got nervous.
Oh, what's going on?
He found out that.
You not feel so well?
All right, boss, I'm gonna sit you up here.
We couldn't explain it because he
How you feel? That good?
Good? All right, I'm gonna grab your wrist, boss. I'm gonna stand you up, and we're gonna move you to this cot. You got me?
How the call came in. Just let me grab it for you. The squad's gonna be taking him to get checked out.
I'm probably going to St. John West Shore, probably. St. John's.
I guess we're taking
Ahmed, can you talk to me so we can treat you here?
I think I got Tommy E27 that I lost the last three.
No. He was nodding me and acknowledging. Here, cross him over.
I copy that.
Oh, okay.
Once we determine that we'll call the report immediately, get him to come out of cuffs and out of the car. But now he's I will. You know what, let me,
Before I need that info again.
I'm gonna have this officer. I'm gonna get your information, okay, so I can contact you. Okay, what is your name?
Station Sample 1.
Okay, Officer Elliott.
Temple.
Your badge number what? No, he's okay. He's being looked at in the squad. We just have all of his property with us. Did you drop him off here at the Fairfield Inn?
137.
What part is he driving?
I can get you and make your way
Chrysler
this way. I
Sebring?
got a report that there's
That's
a
green in color?
driving close to the
Okay.
road on 83 between Detroit and Elton.
Next line on duty, I'll take care of that.
Okay, so the car's in your name?
Rated Tuesday between Detroit and Mills.
Okay. Yep, I was at about halfway through. The best location I could get.
Maroon in color? Or green? Okay, I see it. Special plate on it? Yeah, smart. Okay, yeah, I found it. Okay.
I'll grab a bag for all this.
All right, thank you. She never said anything about it. No, you knew that was his car?
Yeah, he said that was his.
I was in the process of trying to explain to the guy what we did and apologize to him when he decided to go down.
I'll go grab a bag to throw all the stuff in.
That's what we did. Yeah, we'll give it to him. But before he goes away,